Welcome to this how-to guide. So today we're going to look at an additional embroidery technique and stitch, and this will be the chain stitch. So what you'll need is you'll need your fabric attached correctly to your embroidery hoop and make sure it is pulled tight, and you'll need your embroidery thread, and I put a small knot at the very end to help it from going through the fabric. And you want two tails, one long, one short. Additionally, I've drawn a wee straight line with using a HB pencil to help with the straightness of the line. This is an optional technique. You don't need to, but it can help you provide a straight line. So you want to start off with is dragging your needle over, start, pulling through. And now that you're through, to create a chain, I want you to put it in, and then I want you to bring the needle back up to this point. So you can see that my needle is going under and back out. And to create a chain, you want to then take your thread and pull it round, holding it with your thumb, pull, just like so. Then you want to then repeat this step, but this time putting your needle just underneath the previous stitch, pushing the needle up, and you're always then going from the left side round, pulling the needle through, creating two chains. So repeat this until you reach the very edge of the line. With this, you also want to make sure that your chains are evenly distributed in size and in width. So pushing it through, round, hold, push, then pull. Once again, round, push, and pull through. Once you then got to the end, this is where then you need to do just a single insert next to the loop, pulling through, and then tying it off. And that's how you create a chain stitch.